Ahoy and welcome to Lazy Gadgets. Today, just a short, preview, preview of this bad boy right here. Already teased it like one of the last times, one of the last videos, I think in the last video. And before I show you a total instead of wanky close-ups, let's just see. You grab it like this, by the way, and then it works. Who would have thought of that? Uh-oh. Almost. I know it's boring, but it's just so much fun. Balloon test. Yeah. Liberated. Oh, go ahead. And here you see the rifle in its natural habitat. It's a Borderlands 3 design, by the way. I just love that dial SMG, so I made a laser version of it. And I also love the Boeing black and gold. So it's black and gold. Along with some pink, purple LEDs. That's as purple as it gets. I really like the color. Works well with a paint scheme. Laser, as always, a blue one. Tactical right in front, just in case you want to add some stuff. Let's see how that looks. Like this. Looks even better. And that's actually for that's actually it for the day. I'm a bit in a hurry today because I have to finish somebody else's project. So let me show you what I did for him. You might notice this one. Call of Duty ray gun. That's it for today, guys. Stay tuned for the ray gun next week or week after next. I'm not sure yet. A lot of stuff to do. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, and I see you guys next time.